Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Holia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So we are here to discuss the topic phases of spermatogenesis and structure of sperm. So in the last lecture, we have covered the phases of spermatogenesis. So today we will discuss about the structure of the sperm. There is the male gamete. So the male gamete have the three structural component. Okay, that is the head, the middle piece, and the tail. So a male gamete is uh, formed having the three structures: the head, middle piece, and the tail. The head part again is divided into two parts. Okay, one is the acrosome and second is the nucleus. So the acrosome part or the head part is covered with a layer which is known as the galea capitis. The galea capitis. Okay, the acrosome is a, a portion of the male gamete which have the enzymes. Okay, so it is acrosome is a sac-like structure and having few digestive enzymes which are collectively known as the sperm lysins. Okay, so these enzymes helps in the penetration in the egg. So majority the three enzymes are present in the head part in the acrosome, known as the hyaluronidase enzyme. First is the hyaluronidase enzyme, second is the corona penetrating enzyme, and third one is the corona proacrosine enzyme. So what are the enzymes? The hyaluronidase enzyme, corona penetrating enzyme, and proacrosine enzyme. Okay, so the three enzymes are collectively known as the acrozomin. Okay, acrozomin. So the hyaluronidase enzyme dissolves the hyaluronic acid of the corona radiata cells which are present on the egg. Okay. Likewise, the corona penetrating enzyme dissolves the corona radiata cells of the egg. Okay. The function of third enzyme, that is a proacrosine enzyme. So proacrosine enzyme, actually it is a inactive enzyme, and it uh, activates when it comes in the comes in the contact with the egg. Okay, then it converted in a activated enzyme that is known as the acrosine. Okay, so I have already mentioned that the acrosome is covered by the two membranes which are known as the galea capitis. Okay, so there is a space between the acrosome and the nucleus. So this space is known as the perforatorium. Okay, so the nucleus part of the male gamete only have the chromatin material. Okay, the other parts like the nucleoplasm, the nucleolus and histone proteins are absent in the nucleus of the male gamete. Okay, so in the place of the histone there are some proteins found in the male gamete which are known as protamines. Okay, so comes on the second part, that is the middle part or the middle piece of the male gamete. So middle piece is a narrow part, starts with a narrow part which is known as the neck. and neck having the two centrioles which are presented at perpendicular to each other. Okay, the first is known as the proximal centriole and the another is the distal centriole. So the proximal centriole is present at the base part of the acrosome or the nucleus. Okay, so the distal centriole is works as the base granule of for the axonema. Okay, so the distal centriole will form the axonema. Okay, so in the middle part there are solid protein fibers, nine solid protein fibers, and therefore the arrangement of the axonema is known as the 9 plus 9 plus 2. Okay, so this is a arrangement of the filaments in the axonema. Okay, so in the middle piece the axonema is covered by a spiral layer of the mitochondria. Okay, so the mitochondria forms a sheet-like structure around the axonema, and this sheet-like structure is known as the Nebenkern sheet. Okay, so these mitochondria are responsible for providing the energy to move the male gamete. Okay, so the last part, that is the tail part, is a flagella or flagella like structure, and this is divided again into the two part, that is the main piece and the end piece. Okay, so the main piece in the main piece the axonema have uh, covered with the two protein membranes, sorry, two protein filaments, and so the arrangement is 2 plus 9 plus 2. And in the end piece or the end part of the tail, the axonema, the arrangement of the axonema is the 0 plus 9 plus 2. So there are no protein filaments in this portion. So this is the brief about the structure of the male gamete, and hope you are satisfied with this digital session. And if you have any query, please write in the comment box. And this digital session is powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Thank you.